Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to permanently delete your Evernote account. Okay, so this must be confusing for some people because the option is not available on the app. So where do you go to delete your account, because you might want to delete all your belongings in that. So what you need to do is open your web browser, and after that search Evernote. Now once you search Evernote, you will see this site, and the first site you will see, you have to just click on it. After clicking on it, this page will appear where it will ask you to sign up or log in. Now, if you have already made an account, then that's good. If you haven't made up an account, you can also make one. But since you are deleting your account, I will be understanding that you have made up account. So what you need to do is just log in with your credentials, whether it's your Gmail or your Apple ID. Log in with that. Then after that, you will see this page, account summary. Now here you can see some several operations and informations like 10 GB of new uploads per month, create and manage task. Okay, now first of all, what you need to do is on the right top bottom side, you can see these lines. So click on these three lines. Okay, after clicking on these three lines, okay, just a second, it's getting hacked. Now here you can see various options like account settings, get more, security. Now here you have to scroll down and see in the security option there is the option of account status. Now click on the account status. After clicking on account status, it will show you two options: deactivate your Evernote account or close your Evernote account. So in this, if you want to deactivate, you can temporarily deactivate the account, but if you want to permanently close the account, you can click on the close account. Now click on the close your Evernote account. Set your password. For security reasons, Evernote requires you to create a password to close your account. Okay, got it. Now I have to check my Gmail ID to reset the password and close the account. This is how you close an account permanently in the Evernote. Now, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please share this, and I will see you in the next one.